Hey, do you want to learn how to connect Figma to Totalum AI app and website builder? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So first you need to go over to totalum.app and then log into your account. Then you need to go inside one of your projects. Then inside it, towards the right hand side, in the prompt bar, you're going to find Figma right here. Press on it. And then this is a Figma integration. So you can connect your Figma account. But for this, you would need a Figma API key. Now, to get this Figma API key, you need to go over to figma.com and log into your account there as well. Then on the top left corner, you're going to find your user icon with your username. Press on it, then go over to settings. Then in this pop-up, go over to security, scroll down, and you'll find personal access tokens. So under it, you'll see generate new token. Press on that. I need to type in your token name. I'm just going to type in Totalum app. Then scroll down, you got the expiration. You can click on this, drop down. I would say make it 90 days. Below it, you will find scopes. So let's just select all of them. Once you've done it, you will see this generate token button. Press on this. And now it's going to give you this personal access token. So you can just double click here and copy it. Now, once you've copied it, go back to Totalum. And right here under Figma API key, I'm going to right click and paste it. Now you need to just press on this connect Figma, and that is it. It says Figma connected successfully. Now with this Figma integration, you can use Figma designs in your projects. So it can read those Figma designs. So let's say I want to change this Ember Eats app that Totalum has created. I want to change the theme to the one that I created over here in Figma. So this is the design that I created with AI, and I want to change this to this, the theme. So what I will do is in Ask Totalum AI on the bottom right corner, I'm going to ask change the theme, the overall theme to my Figma design project named Totalum design, like this. And then let's send the message and see what it does. All right, so when I send this message, change the overall theme to my Figma design project named Totalum design, it asked me for a Figma link as it was not able to find it. So you need to go over to Figma, go inside that project, and then on the top right corner, you're going to find share button, press on that, and then copy the link. And that's all you need to do. Just go back to Totalum and paste the link here, and it's going to start working on it. Like you can see, it worked. The agent took 19 steps in order to rebrand based on this design right here. And this is how it looks like now. It even changed the grid design, how the grid looks like, the colors, etc. in it. So yeah, this is how the Figma integration works and how you can take your designs from Figma and rebrand your current application based on the designs that you have on Figma. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Totalum AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.